What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test $12 Swiss knife versus $300 Swiss knife. Look at this difference, boom! This is the world's biggest Swiss knife. Let's see what it includes, and also we're actually going to try to use some of these tools. Hopefully it actually functional as well. So first of all, let's see what this $12 knife looks like. We got here a little knife, perfect for box opening and stuff like that. Little screwdriver, file. And on this side, we got here, let's see, little scissors, which is perfect, very useful. And over here, you pull it out, boom, you got here little tweezers. And right here, looks like a toothpick or something. Super cool, right? Okay, I guess we'll start from the beginning. Pull this paper out, and this should be a clock. Push it in. Oh, no way, it actually comes with a sound. It's amazing. Oh, you know what? This side here is actually a button. So you got stopwatch, calendar, date, you can set whole bunch of stuff. Look, there's even alarm. This is crazy. I never seen a clock on a knife. Pretty unique, that's for sure. Okay, well, let's see what else we got. Boom, can opener, traditional can opener with a screwdriver, and this side here actually a knife as well. That's awesome. Let's open up the next one. Oh, look at that, another can opener with a bigger screwdriver. This is a smaller screwdriver and there's a bigger one. This side here, Phillips head screwdriver. Next one, let's see what is here. What is that? I guess it's for the little bolts. You put it in, and so that way you can grip it and screw it and unscrew it like a little wrench. Okay, this side here looks like Allen screwdriver and looks like it's detachable. Yep, so if you wanna put a different size, boom, and there's a little bolt to hold it in. Wow, this is super good. Allen screwdrivers are very important all the time. And this looks like a whole set. Check this out. You can pull this out and there is a star screwdriver. This is called a star. There's right here another flat head and another size of a Allen screwdriver. All I have to do is pull it out. Look how tiny that is. That's perfect. So if you need a longer screwdriver, you got one of these and one of these. Why? I always lose my small screwdrivers, so this whole complete comes all together. That's good. Okay, wow, look at that. There's a flashlight. Press it and there's pretty bright flashlight. We're gonna test all these tools out and test out this flashlight in the dark in a little bit. Does it come out? I think so. Wow, that's interesting. I guess it comes out to change the batteries and stuff like that. So we don't really have to take it out. Whoa, check this out. Looks like there's a little magnifying glass. Maybe it can be strong enough to start the fire with, just with the sun. So this is really nice. Whoa, look at that knife. Perfect. Another type of knife right here. There's the big ones. Oh, look at that. There's the scissors. Very easy to use, as you can see. Just press right here and you got yourself some scissors. Whoa, look at that type of knife. There's a different kind of knife right here. This is one, a unique one for sure. Boom, check this out. There's another screwdriver. There's Allen on this side, and right here is a star screwdriver. I'll open it up. Let's see what else we got. Now it's easier to open this one a little bit. Whoa, look at that blade. This blade even bigger. It's huge. Look how thick that is. Boom, check this out. A little sword here. There's more screwdrivers. Different attachment just like this one, but different ones. Let's see what else. Oh wow, another can opener, bottle opener. That's crazy. Boom, a big knife right here. Knives are always useful. They said here a little nail file or some kind of file that you can use to file something up. Multiple purposes. Oh yeah, another knife, different type. Unique for sure. And another knife. Man, how many knives out there? I wonder what is this one. I need a little help to pull it out. No way, look at that. There's pliers. That's so cool. Okay, are we done on this side? Nope, there's something else right here. What is this? Is this some kind of spoon or something? Interesting. I should read the instruction what each knife is for, because this one I have no idea what this is for. Okay, and now let's turn it over and let's see what on the other side. A wine opener looks like, and inside there's something inside of it. Boom. Oh, look at that. There's actually a mini screwdriver inside of it. I would assume you just turn it. Oh, there you go. You just turn it like this and boom, you got here super mini screwdriver. Look how tiny that is. And to put it back in, boom, twist it back in. Wow, super unique, that's for sure. Okay, there's more knives. Ah, more screwdrivers. Another screwdriver. And another screwdriver. What is this? Oh wow, look at that. A little hook right here. And what is this? And another little hook. So many different tools, that's crazy. And another little knife right here. Looks like a needle knife, something like that. Are we done? Okay, I got here a box. Okay, we just need a knife, any knife. This one will do. Just grab it, pull it out. Oops, these are scissors. It's kind of hard to find a knife because there's so many tools, but once you use it for a while, you know what everything look like. There you go, this one will do. And then you can just grab it like this and open it up. So as you can see, it's very, very useful and actually pretty comfortable to hold the knife like this, no problem. So let's say you need to cut a box, boom, cuts it really easily. So the knife's definitely really good. Okay, let's say we need to take out this screw. We got here Phillips head, boom, put it in and we can unscrew it. As you can see, it works really well. And even though it's kind of big, it actually not so bad. It's actually big and comfortable. And if you need to screw it back up, you can screw it back. Boom, easy. Put to the test one of these tools. For example, let's say this knife got loosened up or you want to take it apart to clean it up. This side here, star screwdriver, you see it? That's what you need it for. And that way you can actually unscrew it super easily. And of course, same thing right here. This is a star bolts, and this one right here, if you need to open it up, you can just unscrew it and take it off, take it all apart, clean it up, and then you can screw it back up. So definitely a very, very useful tool right here. And guess what? Let's see if the bottle opener works well. I have to do this one hand because I have to hold the camera with the other one. But so far it works really good. Boom, opened it. Let's say you're in the dark, boom, look how powerful this flashlight is. It's amazing, even though it's so small, it is very, very powerful. I love that. So yeah guys, let me know in comments below what do you think about these tools. I think it's pretty amazing. So many tools, and you know what, my favorite probably is the screwdrivers because there's whole set for them. And of course the knives, you never know, you might need a knife. There's so many different kinds. And there you go, this is your pocket folding knife. Honestly, it fits in my hand, so it's not too huge, and there's so many tools, actually even smaller than modern cell phone in a way. Definitely thicker but not as bigger, so could be very useful. I know there's a huge fan base on Swedish folding knives, so if you love Swedish folding knives, you must have one of those. You're definitely going to enjoy it, because I don't even use Swedish folding knives that often, but I'm glad to have one of these. It's definitely a fun toy to have. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.